The 3PP Step Down Splint is a static, progressive splint designed to apply an adjustable force on the PIP and DIP joints to restore flexion. The splint includes extra pads that can be added to maintain consistent force as flexion increases, particularly at the DIP joint. The corrective strap slides over the top bar and then threads through the bottom bar. Slide the splint on the finger until the rolled pad sits just proximal to the PIP joint crease. The top pads should rest on either side of the PIP joint, and the small pad should rest on the distal phalanx. Pull the strap over the top and through the bottom bar. Pull on the corrective strap so there is stretch at the end range of motion without discomfort, and secure the strap on the top of the splint. The suggested wearing time is roughly 5 to 10 minutes. If during that time your patient feels they can tolerate more stretch, they can apply additional force. Adding an extra pad over the distal phalanx will assure that force remains consistent on the DIP. Once the pad is in place, the strap can be adjusted again and secured in place for the remaining time. Depending on the status of the joints and patient compliance, it may take several days or more to gain the end range of flexion available from the step-down splint. Generally, 70 to 80% of IP flexion is achievable. End range of motion will require the use of a flexion strap, such as the 3PP Final Flexion Wrap. Information on this product is included at the end of this video.